Welcome back to my channel, students. This is the last question of the surface area and volume chapter. So I think it is most expected question for 5 marks. If theorem is asked, then need not worry. You can, anyhow you will be studying theorems, 5 marks. But you cannot say, sometimes the questions also may be asked from trigonometry, applications of trigonometry also, or this one of this question is also important. This type other questions also may come. So be careful in watching this question. So here first the cone was there. The cone was given and they were told that the cone's height is 20 centimeters. The height of this cone is 20 centimeters and this vertical angle of the cone is 60 degrees. It is 60 degrees. Now this cone is cut parallel to its base. So what happens here? We get the remaining part as frustum. So as this circle is bigger, I'll take this as R1 and this as R2. For the time being, we'll take this complete triangle, we'll name it A, B, C, and this small triangle, we'll name it as A, D, E. So if 60 degree was there, if this line, always you know that it is perpendicular to the base, this will be 30 degree, and already you know that this is 90 degree. So 90 plus 30, 120, the remaining will be 60 degree. So children, here R1 we don't know, R2 we don't know, but this AD we know. This is the height AD and BD, because they have told that the cone is cut at the middle. That means if the height is 20, we'll call this complete AB as H1, that is 20 centimeters, and AD as, we'll call it as H2. If it is middle cut in the middle, then it will become half of 10 centimeters. Now we need to find R2. With the help of that, you can use now the tan theta, or this is the opposite by hypotenuse. We don't need. We need, yes children, we can find now using this. This angle is 60 degree as I told you. So you can use a tan 60 degree to find R2 now. In the triangle ADE, we are using trigonometry here. In triangle ADE, tan 60 degree is equal to, we have opposite, that is AD by DE. So tan 60 is root 3. So AD we know that it is 10. DE is nothing but R2. Therefore, if we cross multiply, R2 is equal to 10 by root 3. We got now R2. Next, similarly, we are going to find R1 in triangle ABC. We have here again it will be 90. Here this is 60. So tan 60 is equal to, we have AB upon BC. Again it is root 3. AB is 20, BC is R1. Again if you cross multiply, R1 is equal to 20 by root 3. We got now R1 is equal to 10 by 20 by root 3. R2 is equal to 10 by root 3. So children, now we'll continue with the question is, we need to find the question what they have asked is, so this, the frustum so obtained, if it is drawn into a wire, that means the wire will be of cylindrical shape. So that the frustum is drawn into wire. Wire means it is cylinder. So its diameter they have given as 1 by 16 centimeters. Radius becomes 1 by 16 into 2, that is 1 by 32 centimeters. So if it is drawn into a wire, Then find the length of the cylinder. That means the height of the cylinder. Here, if one is converted to another one, as we have studied in the second exercise only, so we have to take volumes. So if you take those volumes, what do we get? We'll just see now. Volume of frustum is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of frustum is equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of frustum, the formula is 1 by 3 pi h r1 square r2 square plus r1 into r2. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So pi on both the sides gets cancels. 1 by 3, the height of the frustum now is only 10 because it is cut here. R1 square is, we got R1 as 20 by root 3 whole square plus 10 by root 3 whole square plus 20 by root 3 into 10 by root 3. So this side we need to find the height, but we know the length, the radius, that is 1 by 32 whole square into height. We need to find out. So see here children, this is 10 by 3 we write. Here root and square get cancels for 3. We need to take only 20 square, that is 400 by 3 plus 10 square is 100 by 3 plus 20 tens are 200 by root 3 into root 3, again answer is 3, is equal to 1 by 32 into 32 into h. Now 10 by 3, so overall it will be 3 now because all the denominators are same. 400, 500 plus 2, 700 is equal to 1 by 32 into 32 into h. Now we have to cross multiply now. After cross multiplying, what do we get? We'll write 10 into 700 into 32 into 32 divided by 3 into 3 is equal to h. So 700 into 10 is 7000 into this is 1024 divided by 9. Yes, when you multiply 3 zeros, we keep it like this. 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16, 1 year 7 ones are 7. So if you divide 7,96,000.444, 7 7 9 7s are 63. So 8 remains 86, 9 9s are 81. So 58, 7 9 6 are 54. 54 if we take, again 4 remains. So 40 means 9 5s are 9 4s are 36. Again 9 4s are 36. Again 9 4s are 36. So this comes 0.44, it continues. So this is overall we take 796,444.4 centimeters. We take it. If it want in meters, we need to divide it by 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Divide by 100, we get 7,964 meters.